How compound interest really works. Compound interest is often described as powerful. Some people call it the engine behind long-term financial growth. Others describe it as something almost magical. But despite how often the term is used, most people never truly understand what compound interest actually does. They see charts rising sharply. They hear stories about money growing over time. Yet the underlying mechanism remains unclear. Once you understand how compound interest really works, it stops feeling mysterious and becomes predictable. Compound interest means earning interest not only on the original amount of money, but also on the interest that has already been added. Each time interest is applied, the total amount grows slightly larger. That larger base is then used for the next calculation. Over time, this creates a compounding effect. This is what separates compound interest from simple interest. With simple interest, interest is calculated only on the original amount. Growth is steady and linear. Each period adds the same amount. With compound interest, interest is calculated on an ever-growing total. Each period builds on the previous one. This causes growth to accelerate gradually. At first, the difference appears small. Over longer periods, the difference becomes dramatic. To understand this clearly, consider a simple example. Imagine starting with $1,000. You earn 5% interest per year. After the first year, the balance becomes $1,050. In the second year, interest is calculated on that new amount, not just the original 1,000. After year 2, the balance grows again. Each year adds interest to a slightly larger base. No single year creates a dramatic jump. The effect comes from repetition. One reason compound interest is so widely misunderstood is that early results feel disappointing. The first few years show little visible progress. Most of the interest is still calculated on a relatively small base. People naturally expect effort to produce immediate results. Compound interest does not behave that way. Its strength is delayed. This delay often causes people to underestimate its long-term impact. Because early progress appears slow, the system feels ineffective. In reality, the system is working exactly as designed. Growth is occurring quietly in the background. The acceleration only becomes obvious later. Time is the most important variable in compound interest. More important than the interest rate. More important than the initial amount. More important than how often money is adjusted. The longer compound interest is allowed to operate, the stronger the effect becomes. Time cannot be replaced by effort or timing. Interest can be compounded in different ways. Annually, monthly, daily. More frequent compounding slightly increases the final result, even if the stated interest rate remains unchanged. Over short periods, the difference is barely noticeable. Over long periods, these small differences accumulate. Compound interest often feels counterintuitive because human intuition expects linear progress. We expect equal input to produce equal output. Compound interest violates that expectation. Growth starts slowly, then accelerates. This mismatch causes many people to underestimate compounding. It is also important to understand that compound interest is neutral. It applies equally to growth and to debt. Unpaid balances compound the same way. Interest builds on interest regardless of direction. This is why small debts can grow unexpectedly large over time. The mechanism itself does not change. Financial systems rely on compound interest because it is predictable. It rewards consistency. It allows planning across long time horizons. From a system perspective, compounding creates stability. It allows outcomes to be modeled and managed. Many people believe the interest rate is the most important factor. In practice, time often matters more. Others believe compounding creates fast results. It does not. Compound interest rewards patience, not urgency. Compound interest is not magic. It is a mathematical process. Once understood, it becomes easier to recognize its effects, both positive and negative. Understanding the mechanism removes confusion.